Check out the 2018 X5 M. Now the discerning customer has the opportunity to enjoy the unique high-performance character of a BMW M car. Also in the segment of BMW X models, the BMW X5 M and the BMW X6 M are the first all-wheel drive models to offer the supreme performance, dynamic driving features, athletic design, and premium quality of a typical BMW M car, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.